So this would be my chest routine for the Total Gym Apex G1. Check it out. Starting off with a bit of a warm-up with these chest flies. I did 3 sets of 10. Really opening up that chest and squeezing at the very top. Nice and slow and control. And you're gonna feel these and pre-exhaust the chest a bit before starting the next one. This next workout are what I call 21s. The goal is to do 7 decline presses, 7 standard presses, and 7 incline presses. But admittedly, it ended up being tougher than I thought. So I ended up doing really 5 and 6 reps. So totaling 15 to 18 total reps. I did 4 sets of this, with the rest time being 30 seconds to a minute. On this next workout, it'll be another fly, focusing more on the bottom of the chest and squeezing at the bottom. Did this for 4 sets of 12 as well. Now that would superset it with this straight arm dip motion. I have my palms facing down, stretching and going as wide as I can in my chest at the very top, and then squeezing as hard as I can on the bottom. And since it's a superset, you're gonna really feel this one a lot more. And I'm trying to match the reps, so I did 10 to 12 on the first one, so I'm doing 10 to 12 here as well. This last workout I'll call the dip and squeeze because they imitate the dip motion, but you have a benefit of squeezing at the bottom, your pecs. So I did these for 4 sets of 12. So yeah, that was my chest routine for the day. Test it out, let me know what y'all think, and let me know if y'all changed up anything or if it was too easy or too difficult. Thanks for watching.